Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful TMR espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the hoses, the ones that you hear right here. As you can see, these ones were not in the best condition. This is the hose that is located on the group head, and this is just to discharge the coffee. And this is the hose that is located between the water pump and the water tank. And we replaced that with the one that you see right here, and the other one is inside the machine, but it can still be visible through here. That is the hose that we replaced. We also descaled this machine, deep clean the groove head, replace the gasket, which was in very bad condition, as you can see through here, and the shower screen was almost completely clogged. As you can see, you can barely see through it at all. It's just completely clogged. So yeah, we just gave it a good tune-up, descale the machine, replace the hoses, and replace the shower screen and gasket. So let's start testing the machine, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right pronunciation of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see through coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady shot coming out of the machine, looking great, excellent crema. That's good enough, perfect. Really good shot of espresso coming out of the machine. As you can see, we got some really good crema. Beautiful. Hot water of this machine was excellent, as you can see, perfectly fine. And for the steam, we're gonna have to wait a little bit for the machine to heat up. In the meantime, that was a good espresso shot. Really good. As you can see, working perfectly fine, really good pressure, working great. And there you have it, TMR working once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching. And look at that espresso shot. It's really good. That's a really good crema. Okay, thanks for watching.